Now tonight, as we continue or look at the decline in the quality of Jamaica's cricket, reporter Renardo Brown explores some aspects of the sport at the high school level.
Unlike other major sports like athletics, football and netball, high school cricket has been on a steady decline for years. Numbers such as 51, 36, 30 and even 20 are no longer overs but team totals. And like performances, the number of schools taking part is also dwindling. But what has led to this? Based on discussions, there seemed to be one common factor.
The sport of cricket is very expensive, and that's one of the biggest complaints that we had. The purchase of gears to go to the competition, even to practice, is very expensive. You know, if you put $150,000 now, it's probably not able to give you enough gears to play one game, much as to facilitate the full team.
Outside of the fact that interest drives participation, I think the cost associated with playing cricket is significantly more than most other sports.
A few years ago, the Jamaica Cricket Association had offered to make cricket equipment more affordable for schools, but not many institutions, if any, took up the offer.
Yes, we were aware, but I'm not sure how much savings the schools would have had on that offer. So yes, it was a decent offer where they were able to source the gear at a reduced price, so it would be cheaper than what you would be expected to pay in the open market, but it was still expensive.
But with millions being spent on track and field and football programs, should the argument of expense hold up? Some stakeholders feel the decline in the number of schools playing cricket goes deeper than just cost for gear.
I think the support is what is lacking. You are not getting the sort of support as those programs in the school. As you said, there's a full-time coach for almost every track and field program in the schools. Football is the same thing, and cricket is just not getting that sort of support.
I would support the notion that there should be some funding allocated towards cricket. Whether it's going to come, who it's going to come from. The school board, the JCA, any SDF, all of these.
The issue of grounds and coaching, the JCA ought to be involved. I would never advocate for the JCA to go into schools to influence the running of teams and so on. But JCA should provide ISA with the support required to enhance the resource.
And there's another issue, the quality and quantity of cricketers coming into the high school system.
It is a sport that is played in the community. And so the skill set that they would need to transfer into high school is not there. A lot of primary schools don't play cricket. And that's also a factor.
On Tuesday, we look at coaching at the high school level and if this is contributing to the decline in the sport. Renardo Brown for TVJ Sports.